Magician energy, you've got this figured out, this life. Be ready today to take action and focus on getting things done. Do what you can physically. Ask for divine flow from earth and sky, and your goal is in reach. Be careful to use power in service to the greater good versus to the self. This card scares me due to that. Power is here. Be loving and kind. Choose wisely. Another way to look at it is you have mastered Earth School. We choose peace. We make order out of chaos. Stay connected to the earth and sky like the magician calling forth what is desired. Peace oil helps find that still point where all possibilities exist. Please like, comment if this resonates, and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. Reach out if you would like to manifest from 0 point with peace oil. Thank you.